Welcome back, continuing the news. In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, the story of a woman's strength and will to live in the face of adversity. Ramarda Lyons has the story of Novelet Mighty.
Impressive power or strength. That's the meaning of the word mighty. This woman is just that, both by name and nature. She's Novelet Mighty, and 3 years ago, Mr. Death knocked at her door. But she didn't let him in. And her survival, after not 1, not 2, or 3, but 6 gunshots, has left her with a newfound purpose.
I'm here for a reason, and what came at me, the spirit and the universe think that it was not my time, and I'm here for a purpose.
Still shaken but determined to make ends meet. At the center of that determination, her 3 daughters, who've seen firsthand their mother's resilience.
There's not a day when I don't remember to give God the praise.
But how did she get here? It was October 2021. She just returned to the Greenwich Town fishing beach after delivering fish to clients. The fisherwoman sat in her vehicle, face down in her phone, until she saw a shadow. When she looked up, repeated loud explosions, then the perpetrator ran off. She thought her life was over.
I said, yes, this is it. But for a moment, I was like blanco. The first one that I get, it was in my face. But what caused me not to get the headshot is the moment when I glanced up to see who was standing at the door.
She wanted help desperately.
But I realized that I was not blacking out. I realized that I was able to see things. I realized that I was not losing focus. So the moment I realized that I was not losing focus, I realized that I can help myself.
Her first instinct, drive to hospital. But it was easier said than done.
When I turned the key, I realized that the right hand could not move. So I realized that I got hit in the right hand. So what I did now, I just used the left hand to turn the ignition and drive.
She raced against time as she bled out in the car. And when she finally reached the hospital, she had the strength to park, get up, and run inside.
I said to the porter, gunshot. I could not talk properly because the mouth was members in the face. I get the gunshot now, so I realized that I get it through the mouth. I realized a lot of things was going on in my mouth, blood and everything.
In the emergency room, worry set in when a doctor started counting her gunshot wounds.
I said, doctor, are you going to save me? I remember that. The doctor said, I can't save you. Ask the Lord to save you. You're a lucky woman. You know how many people came in here with 1 gunshot and don't survive?
With your ray of hope, I'm Ramarda Lyons.